So in this workshop, what you want to do is do a quick check to find out what your current business presence is in Nigeria. And when I say business presence, I'm talking about your local connections on the ground in Nigeria. You see, for businesses to succeed in Nigeria, you really need to have that local on ground presence to be able to deal with the ups and downs and the complex challenges that come about with running a business in Nigeria. So, for businesses to really succeed, they need to have that local presence, regardless of how global the company is. Um, so, what we're going to do is do a quick assessment to figure out what your local on ground presence is, and that's thinking about how many business partners you're currently working with, what staff do you have, local support team. So fill the workbook below